Hi guys, today I'm going to do a virtual walk on our fresh and stock Audi A3 Cabriolet. It's a 1.5 TFSI, it's the Sport Edition, finished in this gorgeous blue metallic. As you can see, really nice deep blue paint. Go down to the alloys, got the 18-inch twin spoke 5 alloys with black finish. We've also got nice Audi badging on there also. Got your Audi Xenon headlights with daytime running lights, really nice. You've also got chrome going around the grille and the nice Audi badging. Going on to the sides, you've got nice chrome trim going along the outside and up on the roof bars, giving a real nice finish. You've also got matching coloured wing mirrors to the body colour and black housing. If we go to the rear, you've got a nice little lip spoiler and your new style rear Audi rear tail lights. You've also got your dual exhaust on the bottom, give you a sporty look. If we go and open the boot, nice little bit of boot space. Obviously it's convertible, but you still got a lot of boot space. Fit tons in there. If we go on into the interior, you've got your really nice cloth seats with lumbar support and a nice little 3D effect going on there. If we go into the back, you've got the same style seats, a nice drinks holder in the middle as well, and also rear fans for your climate control. If we go and get into the car, got your full leather steering wheel, really nice Audi steering wheel, controls on either side. If we put the key in the ignition, turn the car on. As you can see, we've got your modes to change your digital dash on this side, and you've got volume control on this side, and your hands-free settings. We've also got flappy paddles on the other side of the steering wheel. Fully electric automatic windows, the ability to lock the rear windows. You can put all the windows down as well with that one. And you've also got folding electric wing mirrors, and the ability to change them off. Going on to your media display, nice navigation system, really easy to use, can all be used down here. So if we put it in reverse, we've also got parking sensors. We've gone to the media and radio, you've got DAB, FM and AM, also the ability to connect your phone through Bluetooth and USB, and you've also got your hands-free settings. If we've gone down, this is your switch to put the roof down. Literally just pull the switch back, no need to unlatch anything or any light, it's just so simple and easy. The roof will just come down, simple and easy as this. Perfect, simple and quick and easy. Under here we've got some storage space, and of course you've got your USB points to connect your phone. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our sales team, and potentially this could be your next new car. Cheers.